Assignment 13 is your solo for the Romantic period, a beautiful prelude in E minor by Chopin. And I'm going to suggest that you listen to 2 or 3 recordings of this on YouTube by well-known performers, because this piece has such nuances. You don't want to just play it really static and really steady. It has a lot of rubato from the Romantic period, okay? But my part with you will be just learning the notes. So E minor, first inversion. You'll see the chords repeat. Just play one of each till you get used to them. Down, the bottom 2 notes, top note down. Notice how he does this. I'm on the 3rd full bar, bottom note down, top note down, middle note down. So very smooth because he's only moving 1 note at a time. Keep playing with me, 2nd line. Middle note, D sharp, and down to D, and down to D natural, F natural, excuse me. Okay? Now, the right hand, which gives it all the beauty of its melody, and 2 and 3 and I said beauty of melody, but look at what he's doing, just back and forth. It's the chord changes that enhance the melody. Okay? Try it together. You're going to have your thumbs almost interlocked here. 1 and 2 and nice largo. 4 E and 1 and let your wrist be loose. You get a more mellow sound. Again, you pedal just where the left hand chord changes. Pedal, pedal, pedal. So think about some rubato, not a hesitation in getting to the next note, but a stretching out, as if you're singing. And especially we have rubato at the end of the 3rd line. And then it goes back to the original theme again. I'd like to work with you a little bit on measures 16 and 17. It says stretto, which means really getting a little bit anxious and pushing along, not at first. Okay? So, I don't know if you want to put this turn in. If you do, it goes on the 2nd eighth. That would be B, A sharp, A sharp, reaching up to the G. The idea here is to make all these beautiful leaps sound smooth and singable. And then triple it, 2 against 3. Okay? So the left hand, let's add that to it, which go ahead and practice that first separately and then together. Octave. Stretch your hand out here. Sweet silver bells. 2 against 3. Okay? And count carefully at the end. With a nice slow chord, you may have trouble reaching all those notes. Smorzando, dying away. All right. Assignment number 14 is another score reading, a beautiful Bach chorale. And again, you're going to do the parts that are indicated up here, soprano and bass. Let's do those first. Keep in your key of C minor. That would be E flat major, sorry. And then alto and tenor are going to sound like this. Tenor, again, remember, is written not here, but an octave lower is where it sounds.